Welcome to our exclusive gated community of luxurious villas centrally located in Bavaro, Punta Cana. This beautiful villa is brought to you by the Dominican Real Estate Group International, boasting a modern open floor plan concept with marble floors throughout, a spacious living room, all the amenities you could want, including, yes, your private swimming pool and jacuzzi. With 4 large bedrooms, 4.5 beautiful bathrooms dressed with coralina from floor to ceiling, a private rooftop terrace with spectacular views of Punta Cana, this luxury villa is perfect for you. It's brought to you by the Dominican Real Estate Group International, and for sales information, reach us right now on WhatsApp at +1 809 763 4400. Call us now.